one community to celebrate the joyful feast day of Saint Lorenzo Ruiz. Today, as we honor our nation's first Filipino saint, a beacon of faith, courage, and devotion, his life, which ended in martyrdom, reminds us that our faith can be our strongest anchor in times of struggle. When faced with the ultimate choice, his courage never wavered. As we celebrate him, let's reflect on the values he embodied. We can emulate his courage by standing up for what's right, even when it's difficult. We can follow his devotion to family by cherishing our loved ones and strengthening our bonds. We can embrace his unwavering faith, which gave him the strength to endure any trial. We are so honored to have our school administration, the CHST non-teaching and teaching staff, teachers, fellow grade 6, and our cherished parents for joining us today. Thank you all for coming together to celebrate this special day. Now, let's have fun, make happy memories, and share in laughter and friendship. Once again, welcome and good morning.